I go back in my memories. I think it was 2005, 2006 short film. It was almost 20 years memories I go back. Today I speak like a fanboy. I want to share my fanboy moments with him. If Karthi was here, if Jyotika was here, and they would be speaking much more than what I can share, because they have spent personal moments, a lot of moments with him. When I take his name at home, be it Karthi, be it Jyotika Garu, or be it Gnanavel, or any friends from the industry, when I say take Raviteja Garu's name, it's not a smile, but it's a laughter. They have a lot of things to share. They only laugh and share so many incidences which they have had together. As a fan, I should say this. If explosive energy has a human form, then it is Raviteja Garu here. And lots of respect to all the fans here, his fans here assembled here for been celebrating him for so many decades. This bond is beautiful to see each other giving this love, unconditional love for so many years is so nice. I think he's the best when he brings the common man to life on screen and make them king size. And nobody else, I think, makes it as real and as convincing as possible. I think Raviteja Garu, he does that with so much ease. He brings a native culture, native touch, and he gives the best to those characters and makes the common man look king size, I think, on screen. Been a big fan of his work. And also, to me, laughter is the toughest and the greatest art form. And he does that with his own ease. He's got his own way of entertaining audience for decades, entertaining the gallery for so many years. And he has made millions of Telugu audience laugh. Manasara Sirikkalnu solluvaanga. Adu vandu varsha kanakka adu pannittu irukkaruna, it's not easy at all to do this repeatedly for so many years. So even in here, there in Tamil, be it Idiot, be it Kick, of course, Vikramakudu was a big turning point for Karthi. Sirthai was a very important film for Karthi. So as a brother, I'm again thankful for that art form which changed Karthi's career also. Anga Tamiliyum, without subtitle, without dubbing, all your films have been watched, and that's the power you have on screen. That's the way you entertaining Tamil audience also. Very few people have that skill. I think Rajini sir has that comic timing, and Bachchan sir has got, and you being a huge fan of Bachchan sir, you've been doing this for decades. Keep entertaining us for many more decades. I think this October 31st will be Ravi De Jatra. It will be his